is peace. Peace. Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Canva Cafe. It's me, Batista, and I haven't been here in a while, but I'm back. And we're going to be doing a series, CanvaMas. Hopefully, I can post child for the whole month, but if not, I'll hold me to it. So, this is one of Canva's new features. It's a gradient feature. You can apply it to lines and shapes. So, I'm just making it a little thicker so that you can see the effect. So once you've selected your line, then you'll go over to the color picker, select gradient, and now you can take what Canva gives you, or you can come up with your own. All you have to do is select the color and just change it on this color wheel. You can use the little pen dropper and choose a custom color, and you can also vary the opacity, make the colors lighter, more transparent. And I'm just going to do a few colors just so you can see, and you can add as many colors as you like. And you can use something like this for when you're doing a border around your design, or like sometimes at the bottom of your flyers or different things where you put your Instagram handle or your website. And I'm just showing you, as you make it bigger or smaller, it'll just adjust. So that's another cute feature that Canva now offers. Now here's our square, and I'm adding the border, and I'm just going to change the solid color to be a transparent, so we only have the border. And now you can let it be as thick, or change the size, or the style of it, whatever you want. So now we're going to select gradient again, and of course Canva does a default color because we started off with black, but you can go in and make your own custom colors to match your design. And so I'm just picking something just for the sake of this video, and then when I'm done, I'll show you how I just use it to add to design. Why am I talking like a robot? I'm sorry, I am not AI. And I hope y'all had a happy holiday, and you will have a happier holiday coming up. So let me know if this was helpful, and like I said, I'm going to try to drop some Christmas Canva design and things like that for the whole month of December. Don't hold me to it, child, because I'm a nurse and it is what it is. So today I'm going to use myself as my own model because it's cheaper to keep her. But I did download some other models off of Etsy, and I'll probably use those in upcoming tutorials. So I'm just using the blur effect to blur my photo in with the other side. But don't forget, when you blur out, it causes a sharp line, so don't forget to extend that other side so that the blur will be softer. And we're going to duplicate this. So you can just watch, and I'll commentate if I feel like it's necessary. So here it is necessary. So this is what I'm using with that new gradient technique. I got a square, and I'm just pulling it out to make it like a little rectangle, a very thin rectangle, and then I'm going to end up using that color changer, and I'm going to make it transparent in the middle so that solid color is going to disappear. And that was the default gradient effect from Canva. Well, I guess I didn't make it transparent. My bad. I made a few other flyers before this, so I couldn't remember. I'm sorry. And right here, you can just change up your design, but I am going to make it transparent. But see, I'm doing the border now. Now I'm going to go back and make it transparent. So now we're just left with that thin little border. And right here in the style, you can make it thicker, thinner. You can make it into little dots. You can do whatever you want. And now I'm going to make it gradient. So I'm just picking some colors to kind of go along with my dress. And I'm going to blow it up just so you can see what it looks like. And so that's good enough for our example. It's just another way of tying in your colors to your design. So now I'm going to, what am I going to do? I think I'm going to stretch it out, yeah, because I'm going to make like a little border. And after I make a border, I'm just going to hit the position button and center it and make sure it's in the middle so it's even. Now remember, if this is something you're going to print out, please turn on the guides so that you can see where it's going to be cut for when you send it off to be printed. So always remember, if you're going to do a printed product, always turn the guidelines on so you can see the print bleed, so you know where your design is going to be cut off at. And I do have some Christmas templates over on my Etsy shop at Tressesleche. The link is in the description if you are interested in it. And I hadn't did anything on Canva in so long that I almost forgot how to screen record this tutorial. And I probably insert a picture, a little video of me looking at my cheat sheet. And don't you think that keyboard is so cute? I got it like I think like last year from Amazon. And if you're interested in that, the link is down in the bio. And it changes color and it just makes it easy for me to use when my laptop is elevated. I can still get to it. So I'm just adding a few more Christmas elements, and like what I like to do is oh, that's my delivery, y'all. Let me hear with this tutorial. So I like to add a shadow behind all my elements. It just makes them a little bit more realistic. And I'm just adding a few more little elements. I think the keyword for that was like gold Christmas. I'm not sure. If y'all want me to do, which I probably will, a list of Christmas elements, keywords to search in Canva. So that's almost about it. I'm just going to resize that so it'll not be taking up so much space. We don't want to crowd our design. And we're just going to add our little disclaimer in our cells, which is the date and our website information. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If not, I'm going to try to do better. But happy holidays. And like I said, I'm going to be doing CanvaMas. So if there's any other Christmas designs or Christmas related flyers or anything you want me to do, just let me know down in the comments, and I'm gonna try to drop a new video every day. Don't hold me to it. And that's it, and that's all. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out whenever I show up and drop a tutorial. Love y'all. Bye.
Christmas is peace.